promised, the jumper is away. Two civilian aircraft are circling in opposing maneuvers.
Well,
I mean, and that's what this was all about. All the nations come together and share technology and that type of thing.
Yeah, so what we're doing is just we're hoping to get it like that.
Well, and this one, has advanced technology.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in standing as the Ladies for Liberty present our national anthem.
This one's all touch screen.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red flare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that Star Spangled